take a deep breath in and slowly release it. Allow your shoulders to relax as you settle into this moment. Feel the weight of the day lifting off your body as you prepare to receive these words of abundance. The universe has brought you here for a reason. As you listen, know that wealth flows naturally to those who open themselves to receive it. So close your eyes if you wish, and let these affirmations plant seeds of prosperity in your consciousness. I am a natural magnet for financial abundance. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I deserve wealth in all its forms. My bank account grows larger every day. I release all resistance to receiving money. Opportunities for income appear in unexpected ways. I am worthy of financial freedom. My relationship with money improves each day. I make smart decisions about my finances. Prosperity is my natural state. I attract wealth through my unique gifts and talents. Money loves me, and I love money. I am grateful for the money I have now. My income exceeds my expenses. I handle my money with respect and intelligence. I see abundance everywhere around me. My financial wisdom grows stronger every day. I pay my bills with gratitude and receive more in return. My actions create constant prosperity. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. Financial success comes naturally to me. I deserve to live a rich and full life. My income potential is unlimited. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I move from a state of scarcity to a state of abundance. I am free from worry about money. I release all negative money stories from my past. My actions are aligned with my financial goals. I attract wealth when I add value to others' lives. I am skilled at making money. The more I give, the more I receive. I see problems as profitable opportunities. I have more than enough money to meet my needs. I welcome wealth into my life with open arms. I am connected to the infinite supply of the universe. My creative ideas lead to financial rewards. I am building my wealth with each passing day. I make money doing what I love. Wealth is pouring into my life right now. I choose to be rich in a world of infinite abundance. Every dollar I spend returns to me multiplied. I attract wealth through my positive mindset. My wealth consciousness expands every day. I release all inner blocks to wealth and success. Money flows into my life in perfect timing. I am financially free and independent. I trust my ability to create lasting wealth. I am grateful for the abundance that already exists in my life. My financial future is bright and secure. I use money as a positive force in my life. I am aligned with the frequency of wealth. I follow my intuition to profitable opportunities. I deserve to be paid well for my contributions. My wealth allows me to help others. I have a healthy relationship with money. I invest my money wisely and watch it grow. Financial success is part of my journey. I am debt-free and financially secure. I choose abundance over scarcity in all areas of my life. Money is a tool that brings positive change to my world. I welcome new streams of income into my life. I am a money magnet, attracting wealth in expected and unexpected ways. I recognize and seize profitable opportunities. I receive money with joy and gratitude. My path to wealth becomes clearer each day. I am comfortable with the concept of receiving. My net worth grows as I sleep. I transform my relationship with money to one of respect and appreciation. I celebrate others' financial success, knowing there's plenty for all. I release the need to struggle for money. I am capable of creating lasting financial abundance. Money comes to me through multiple channels. I am tuned to the frequency of wealth and prosperity. I trust in the flow of abundance in my life. I am an abundant being in an abundant universe. I am worthy of all the wealth I desire. I constantly discover new ways to increase my income. I attract money through my positive energy and actions. As these affirmations settle into your consciousness, know that the seeds of wealth have been planted. The universe responds to your belief in abundance. Continue to nurture these thoughts daily and watch as your financial reality transforms. Remember, you are worthy of all the prosperity you desire. Carry this feeling of abundance with you throughout your day.